Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to review Plex. Are you looking for the ultimate way to stream your own media, watch free movies, and even live TV? In this video we are diving deep into Plex, one of the best media streaming solutions available in 2025. We'll cover its features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide if it is the right choice for you. And for now, let's get started. What is Plex? So what exactly is Plex? Plex is a powerful media server that lets you store, organize, and stream your personal media collection, whether it's movies, TV shows, or even home videos. The best part, you can access your content from anywhere in the world on virtually any device. Smartphones, smart TVs, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, and even web browsers. But that is not all. Plex also offers a library of free ad-supported movies and TV shows, along with more than 300 live TV channels. So even if you do not have your own media collection, you can still use Plex as a free entertainment hub. Pros of Plex. Now let's talk about the major advantages of using Plex in 2025. Number 1, versatile media hub. Plex acts as your personal Netflix. You can store and stream your own movies, TV shows, and photos from one place. Access your content anywhere. One of the best features of Plex is its remote access. If you set up a Plex server on your home PC or NAS, you can stream your media from anywhere in the world, like having your personal cloud service. Supports almost any device. Plex works on Android, iOS, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, PlayStation, Xbox, and more. Free streaming content. Don't have your own movies? No problem. Plex offers a growing library of free ad-supported movies and TV shows, live TV and DVR support. With Plex Pass, you can connect on antenna and watch or record live TV. Cutting the cord has never been easier. Intuitive and beautiful interface. Plex organizes your media automatically with rich metadata, posters, and categories, making it easy to browse your collection. Cons of Plex. Now, Plex is great, but it is not perfect. Here are some downsides you should know about. Plex Pass costs extra, while Plex is free. Many of its best features like offline downloads, hardware transcoding, and DVR require a Plex Pass subscription. Free content has ads. Yes, Plex offers free movies and TV, but they are ad supported. Expect interruptions similar to watching cable TV. Setup can be complicated. If you are setting up your own Plex media server, it requires some technical know-how, especially for advanced settings like remote access and transcoding. Limited codec support. Some file formats might require transcoding, which puts a strain on your server. If you do not have a powerful PC, you might experience buffering issues. Plex pricing in 2025. Now let's talk about Plex's pricing. The good news, Plex itself is free and you can use it without spending a dime. But if you want access to premium features, you will need Plex Pass, which comes in 3 plans. $5 per month, great for short-term users who just want to test the premium features. $40 per year, a better deal for those who plan to use Plex long-term. $120 lifetime plan, the best value for Plex Power users. It is a one-time payment for lifetime access to all premium features. Plex Pass unlocks hardware, accelerated transcoding, offline downloads, parental controls, and much more. Hidden features and tips. Now here are some cool Plex features you might not know about. Plex Amp, a premium music player for audiophiles with gapless playback and advanced equalizer settings. Tidal integration. If you are a Tidal subscriber, you can integrate it into Plex and stream hi-fi music seamlessly. Watch Together. Want to watch movies with friends remotely? Plex's Watch Together feature lets you sync playback across devices. Plugins and webhooks. Advanced users can enhance Plex with third-party plugins and automation tools. Alternatives to Plex. While Plex is great, it is not the only media server out there. Here are a few alternatives you might want to consider. MB, more privacy focused and offers live TV support, but requires a paid plan for full features. Jellyfin, a completely free and open source alternative to Plex with no premium subscriptions. Kodi, a highly customizable media player but lacks native remote access features like Plex. If privacy is a big concern, Jellyfin might be a better choice since it doesn't rely on cloud services. Plex for live TV and DVR. Did you know you can use Plex as a live TV and DVR service? Free live TV. Plex offers more than 300 ad-supported live channels, including news, sports, and entertainment. Plex DVR requires Plex Pass. If you have an antenna and a tuner, Plex lets you record and schedule TV shows just like a cable DVR. This makes Plex a great option for cord cutters who want a mix of live TV and their own media collection. Final verdict. So is Plex worth it in 2025? If you love organizing and streaming your media, Plex is one of the best solutions out there. Even the free version offers tons of value, while Plex Pass takes it to the next level. Would you use Plex or do you prefer another media server? Let me know in the comments. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.